Hi, this is Brad Smith from BeerSmith.com, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about licensing for BeerSmith 4. If you already have an existing license at the Gold, Platinum, or Pro level, you can use your existing BeerSmith license with BeerSmith 4. If you have a basic non-subscription license, in most cases that license will not transfer to BeerSmith 4, and you will need to purchase a new basic license. You can, of course, purchase a BeerSmith 4 license by going to BeerSmith.com and clicking on the order page. If you need to renew an existing license, you can log into your BeerSmithRecipes.com account and go to the profile page and click on the Renew Now button next to your license. This will take you to the order page where you can select a level and process your payment. Subscriptions on Auto Renew use PayPal, but you can select the 1, 2, or 3-year license option, and you will be presented with a Square as a payment option instead of PayPal if you prefer that. When you download and install BeerSmith 4, you'll be presented with the welcome dialog shown here. All the licenses have 2 or more activation slots, which can be limiting, so you may want to take advantage of the 30-day trial period to get all your data moved over to BeerSmith 4 before activating. Activating a copy is simple as pressing on the Activate button here, entering your username and password, and then pressing OK. If you have activation slots free and everything works properly, it should just activate right here. If not, it'll actually show a message displaying what to do next. So that's a quick overview of how to manage your licenses and activate your copy of BeerSmith 4. If you want to learn more about BeerSmith 4, please visit our tutorial page at BeerSmith.com.